Hi everyone! What if I told you you could turn your boring browser into a fireworks show? Today, I'm showing you how to unlock the secret fireworks dynamic effect in the Turn Off the Lights browser extension, and it takes less than 30 seconds. First things first, if you don't have the Turn Off the Lights extension installed, what are you doing? Go to the Chrome Web Store, search Turn Off the Lights, and hit that Add to Chrome button. Seriously, go grab it. Now once it's installed, click right on the gray lamp icon in your browser bar, then click on Options. That's your command center right there. Below the preview panel, click on the fourth tab. That's the dynamic background option. Found it? Great! Now, click the checkbox to enable this feature. Next, click Show More to see all the different background options. Select the last one. That's the fireworks animation. Once you've chosen it, click the Apply button, and it will automatically save your selection. Now, go to your webpage and click the gray lamp button to see the fireworks in action. Boom! Your screen now explodes into fireworks every time you dim the lights. It's like having a celebration right on your screen every time you want to chill. If that blew your mind even a little bit, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more browser hacks and hidden features you didn't know you needed. Catch you in the next one. Bye.